Hello guys, it's Fire Alarm from the Henry. This is system test 6, I think, maybe, or 7. We have one addition to the system. And in an update I showed you guys the detectors, but we have one new pull station, which I'll get to in a second. So I have 4 alarms and 4 pull stations and 2 detectors right now, so yeah. I put end-of-line resistors on every device, so when I first plug in the panel, there's no troubles, but I don't know what the communication fail is. So, coming over here, got my Firelight BG8, nice simple pull station. So this one's is one of the models where it's really easy to pull. And coming up right here, I have a Wheelock RSS. I've never used this before, but I got the cover plate for this. But yep, new strobe. I don't know if it is kind of sideways. I think it's just the way it's looks against the boards. But yep, Wheelock RSS. It's a cool device. Then over here, BNG1. This one actually takes a lot more force to pull than the Firelight BG8, which is kind of weird. And don't mind this mess, there's some stuff getting moved around. But yeah, it's cool. Over here, NBG12L. This is a nice pull station, I like this. Then the new pull station, it looked better, but it's kind of behind some stuff now, but not really. So over here, I had this old electrical outlet plug with wire that was cut at the top and didn't work at all. So I removed that. Alright, fed some wire down. I think this looks very good. And I have the BG10 right here, all mounted. Looks nice. So, yep. Yep, and BG10L. So that's cool. I already showed you the Wheelock RSS. Over here, still the same i3 smoke detector. Yeah, there's a big mess right now. Over here I have Spectre Alert Advance P2R, and technically it just has the red cover on, but it's a P2WH, so the white one. It has a red cover on right now because, yep, 135 candela. I don't know why it's so high, but it's not an outdoor version, so that's weird, but I like how this looks here. Looks cool. Coming over here, I was actually in my closet this morning because I'm selling some shoes, some Jordan 4s I had, and in that box I actually found my system sensor P2RL. I don't know why it's in there. I had the mounting bracket, but I didn't know where the actual alarm was. So this is set at 15 candela. But yep, I think this is a really nice alarm. Yeah, it looks nice right here. So that's cool. Over in this device's place over here is the Wheelock Exceeder again. So, yep. You guys have seen that before. Over here, it's still the same heat detector. Yep. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the BNG one. 3, 2, 1. get a thumbnail for this right here. Okay. Something weird is you can't really see the actual strobe flashing on it like you can with the license there. So it's cool. Now I do only have to press acknowledge once, which is nice. Okay. Yeah, why not? I'll just pull this right here. So you can see, this will take a lot less force to pull in this. I'll pull it with my pinky. No force. I don't know why I didn't acknowledge that faster. Let's do the NBG10. I think it might be a tiny bit sideways, but whatever. 3. And this will probably be the system for a while, because I'm saving up for SE Bikes 2026 Black Street Fast Ripper right now, so that's what I'm putting my money into. But yep, 3, 2, 1. BGX 101L, but I converted it from addressable to conventional, so it's probably just BGX 101. I don't have a film in this, so kind of weird here. My mom's phone is weird. You cannot see this one flashing. It is flashing every time now, so I don't know why I can't see it though. I don't know if you can see, but I thought the controller advances were synced, but they're not. Alright, last post station in the system. MBG 12L. I don't know why I cannot really see this flashing. I don't know. Yeah, now you kinda can. This is definitely maybe my favorite PlayStation to play. Yeah, these videos, I don't know why I do that. Okay. I didn't acknowledge it. Okay, check the smoke detector, and that's gonna be it for today, because it is late. Huh. Let's go. Found if you just go do like a loop, it works. It goes really fast. So. Maybe overdid it. Gonna have to take that off the base and blow on it. For this, I'm just gonna silence it because gotta let the air out. It's flashing. Don't know why you can't see it. Alright, that is going to be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And goodbye.